Your doctor has recommended that you undergo surgery to repair your ruptured Achilles tendon. But what does that actually mean? Your Achilles tendon is the connection between the heel and the most powerful muscle group in the body. It is the strongest, largest, and thickest tendon in the body. It begins in the mid-leg and descends to the heel. Unfortunately, the Achilles tendon is extremely susceptible to acute and chronic injury because of the demands it withstands. When it ruptures, patients feel a pop and may feel that they've been struck from behind. This is often followed by weakness and pain.